Alright, malinaw ho yan dahil nga ho yung nasa coercive jurisdiction no ng Senado ay 22 lamang ho no kasi wala itong si Senator Jinggoy Estrada at nagtatago naman itong si Senator Bato de la Rosa. So that's why 12 yung naging quorum ho natin. So it means ho no tama ho ba valid ho yung naging palitan ho at vinacate nila yung lahat ng posisyon noong araw ho na yun at valid din ho yung pag-elect kay Senator Gatchalian bilang Senate President pro tempore.
Yes, actually, if you can rewatch yung video no sa YouTube nung Senate session on last Wednesday, I think very specific that the first motion of Senator Soto was to declare all elected Senate positions vacant. Take note, all elected Senate positions. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga positions from the Senate President, okay, to the Senate President pro tempore, to the Secretary, to the Sergeant at Arms, the Deputy Majority Leader, the Minority Leader, lahat yan, okay, was declared vacant. Can the Senate do that with just 12 members? The answer is yes. The Senate can do that even with just 12 members. Okay, but interestingly, you would notice na they elected Senator Gatchalian as Senate President pro tempore. They elected all the officers except the Senate President. Okay? Very interesting, and we will discuss that. I will go to that later, attorney.
And going nga ho to the Senate presidency, no, ang nakalagay daw ho sa Constitution is 13 ang kailangan na number to elect a Senate President. And yun nga ho, ang inelect lang ho ng grupo ni Senator Gatchalian is yung Senate President pro tempore. So, does it mean na si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano is still the Senate President?
Okay, so when we tackle about that, iba kasi yung motion to declare all positions vacant dun sa election ng Senate President. Okay, magkaiba yung dalawang yon. Yung first is you need a what we call a simple majority. What do you mean by a simple majority? Dalawa kasi yung klase ng majority na when you talk about legislation. Number one, there's what we call the absolute majority. Ibig sabihin nito, the majority of all the members of the House. Qualified, all, lahat. Okay? And then there is what we call a simple majority. Ibig sabihin nito, majority of all the members present, there being a quorum. Okay? So technically, since we have already established na merong quorum nung session nung Wednesday, there's a quorum valid 12 out of 23 senators or 12 out of 22 depending what school of thought you want, no? So there being a quorum, all the actions of the Senate during that day are considered valid and subsisting. Now, out of senators, to establish simple majority, ilan yung kailangan natin? You just need 7. You just need 7 senators to do ordinary legislation business. What is ordinary legislation business? Tackling of resolutions, first reading, calendar for special orders, calendar for ordinary business, yung mga ganyan. Those are normal legislative business. Those are ordinary business. Okay, so when you talk about that, lahat ng actions nila on that day would only need a simple majority. Meaning, a minimum of 7 out of the 12 senators present would be enough to make any motion or to approve any motion on the floor. Valid siya. Now, what was the motion that Senator Soto made when he when he had the floor last Wednesday? The first motion he had was, I move to declare all elected Senate positions vacant. So what does this mean? Okay? Ang motion niya is lahat ng mga na-elect na Senate positions would be considered vacant, wala nang nakaupo. So no exception yan. It's from the Senate President down to the committee chairmanships of the committees. Okay, is that valid? Yes, because it is an act of the Senate. Why is it an act of the Senate? Because the Senate is in quorum. May quorum siya and it has the approval of the majority of the quorum. So therefore, it is a valid act of the entire body of the Senate. Kasi they can do business because they have the quorum. Okay, so you just need a majority of the quorum. And as far as I know, wala sa Constitution and wala sa rules of the Senate na nakalagay na you need an absolute majority or meaning majority of all the members in order to declare all elected seats vacant. Wala naman nakalagay. There's no specific provision to that effect. So therefore, by a vote of at least 7, okay, valid yung pag-declare or valid yung motion or yung granting or yung approval ng motion to declare all seats vacant. And therefore, because all seats are vacant, the senators can elect now among themselves. Sino yung magiging new set of senators that would be the officers or the officials of the Senate? Except the SP. And it is very interesting. Okay?
Okay, and this includes nga ho yung vacating na yun ng Senate presidency, which means
Yes.
as we speak now, si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano is no longer the Senate president. Tama ho ba?
Yes. Because the motion was approved unanimously. I think it was a unanimous approval, no? At in the session last Wednesday. So 12 out of 12 senators, there being a quorum, approved that all seats be declared vacant. Vacant lahat. They can do anything. They have the quorum. As long as they have the majority of the quorum, they can do anything. Except, yun na nga, certain exceptions. Okay? And that's the reason why they did not elect the SP.